In this video, we will go through the UMS consumption APIs. These APIs provide an easy interface for user management in your applications, like user signup, user sign in, change user password, fetch and delete the user. To demonstrate the APIs, we are using Postman as our REST client, but you can use curl or any other REST client if you'd like. Let's begin with user signup API. This is a post request to the signup endpoint, which is our project URL /UMS/signup. We have to add user's email and password in the body and then send the request. In the response, we get the newly created user. All of the other UMS consumption APIs need the user's authentication token. To authenticate, we have to make a post request to project URL /auth endpoint. In the body, we have to send method as UMS, user's email and password. In the response, we get access token and refresh token. Copy the access token for further use. Now, let's fetch the user which is signed in. For this, we have to make a GET request to user endpoint, which is project URL /UMS/user. Add the authorization header and use the current user token as its value, and then send the request. In the response, we get the current user. To change the user's password, we have to make a post request to project URL /UMS/change password endpoint. Add the authorization header and use the current user token as its value. Add old password and new password in the body and send the request. In the response, we get the current user. Passwords are never sent in the response. So, to see if the change password worked, let's try authentication with the old password. It gives an error as the credentials are invalid. Enter the new user password and send the request. You get the new token for the current user. Let's copy the token for further use. To delete the user, we have to make a delete request to project URL /UMS/user endpoint. Add authorization header with current user token. Add the user's password in the body, and then send the request. You get a successful response with the deleted user. UMS APIs also throw errors in case the request is incorrect, authentication token is invalid, or there is an internal problem. For more details on errors, please read our documentation. Well, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about your project setup, please keep watching our other videos.